Here's how to convert to JPEG for free. That's that .jpeg file type. And so if you have a bunch of images, it doesn't really matter the file type actually, HEIC, PNG, even JPEG, just JPG, you can click and drag those into this app I created called Convert Save. And if you click the link in the description, you can actually do this for free right now. And so dragging files in and then selecting our output, I want to turn it into JPEG. So I'm going to convert to JPEG and hit convert. It saves it right next to wherever those files came from. And so it's a really quick offline converter. It does not upload your files anywhere. Basically, one day I was like, hey, to my brother, who's a software developer, can you make me an app that, converts audio, video, and images offline on Mac and Windows? And can you make it just drag and drop and save it really quick? And he pretty much just busted it out and did that. So this is Convert Save. We've made some tweaks since then, but we've released it now. Try it for free with the link in the description. I appreciate your support, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.